Magandang araw, magandang hapon at magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Ito nga pala ang pinamagandang Green City Dreams EP ni Del. At wala nang intro man. I mean, ito na pala yung intro. Shit. Ha. Let's go.
Hey yeah, I'm on my Green City dreams with my Green City goblins doing Green City shit, these Green City problems Green City thoughts, even know about it, I guess not. Ambitions was the only thing that's on my pocket. Got my head in the clouds, that's why I'm clouded. Kahit masiro man, I gotta keep it 100. Di lang mag-isa ang pusi, pati pangarap yung inakit. Malayang lumipad, pero iba din kapag tumagit. Nais kong makalayo kung saan man to nanggaling. Ilang beses nalagasan mas dadamihan ko na yung pagkamit. Di lang to magmamarka, mag-iiwan ng imahe pagkawit. Bitch about it, walang bago man. Binago lang yung plano, yung pakay ko ganun pa din. Madaming nagtiwala, kaya madaming tinanim.